Swing check valve is a type of non-return valve that allows fluid to flow in one direction only and automatically prevents backflow. It uses a hinged disc that swings open when fluid moves forward and swings back to the seat when flow reverses. EDVC swing check valve manufacturer, adopt BS 1868 and IN SIB 16.34. Working principle of EDVC swing check valve. Forward flow, fluid pressure pushes the disc open. Reverse flow, back pressure, or gravity closes the disc against the seat. This prevents reverse flow in pipelines. Construction of EDVC swing check valve. 1. Body, main outer shell containing internal parts, usually designed for flanged, threaded, or welded connections. 2. Cover, bonnet, provides access for inspection and maintenance. 3. Disc, movable component that swings on a hinge, controls opening and closing. 4. Hinge pin, supports disc movement. 5. Seat, sealing surface where disc closes. 6. Gasket, prevents leakage between body and cover. Swing check valves are widely used in water systems, water supply lines, irrigation systems, pump discharge lines, oil and gas, refineries, pipelines, compressor discharge systems, power plants, boiler feed systems, cooling water circuits, chemical industry process, pipelines handling non-corrosive liquids. Maintenance steps of EDVC swing check valve. 1. Isolate pipeline and depressurize. 2. Open bonnet cover. 3. Inspect disc and hinge. 4. Clean debris, sludge. 5. Check seat for erosion. 6. Replace worn gasket or seal. 7. Reassemble and pressure test. Welcome to choose EDVC swing check valve.